Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Most people use AI like it's a toy, but the real power it's in how you prompt it. If you want elite level results, business ideas, scripts, content, even coding help, you need to prompt like a pro. Today, I'll teach you a proven framework used by prompt engineers, consultants, and top creators to unlock the full potential of tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. In our today's video, we will see how we can master AI prompts and get exactly what we want in seconds. Right. So let's look at what we are going to learn today. So first thing first, the mistake beginners make. Second, the pro prompt formula. Like what's the formula to write a good prompt in tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Third is premium prompting hacks. Right. So let's start with the first one. Let me show you the difference between the basic user and a high performer. A basic user would type, let's say for example, write a blog post about investing. This is very common example, okay? Act as a financial blogger, write a 500-word beginner guide to investing for 20-year-olds using simple language and relatable examples. This is how you should type in ChatGPT and tools similar to that. It's like how you are giving prompt and you can get your results easily and accurate. If you type something which is very common, then in that case there are high chances that the information which you are getting might be not meaningful or accurate. Okay, so this is the first mistake beginners make. It's the same tool, wildly different results. Why? It's not the AI, it's the prompt structure, right? Second, the pro prompt formula. Here, we will see how pro prompt formula can help us typing good prompt. So, pro prompt formula, which is consist of R.G.C.F and which we are going to see in a few seconds. First one is R, that means role. Who should the AI be? Like what you are expecting to AI to behave like, right? So act as a copywriter. Probably if you're typing something similar to that segment, then yeah, act as a copywriter. Probably if you are a developer, then yes, if you need some assistant with your coding and stuff, then you should mention the what is the role in that case for AI. So yeah, it can help you very easily. Then marketer and etc. There are several industries according to which you can decide a role, but yes, first R means role. Second is goal. What do you want it to do? For example, explain how to save money, generate 10 content ideas. Similar to that, you can just mention simple terms. Goal, what's your goal is. Third, context, right? So add necessary background details as well. For a fitness brand launching a new app in 2025, so here we are giving necessary background details too, like it's a fitness brand and yeah, they are going to launch new application, so accordingly you will get clear answer from AI. Means similar tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. Fourth, the format in which you are typing. How should it respond? So you should mention in bullet points, under 100 words and in simpler terms. So these are the formula. This is the formula like role, goal, context and format. So pro prompt formula you can remember it and this is how you should prompt. So it will be make your life very easy. Third is premium prompting hacks. So what it is? 3 advanced hacks I am going to explain you guys. First one is chain prompting. Second one is give examples. And third one is refinement loop. In a moment we are going to see what exactly this terminologies means. First one is chain prompting. Break your task into small steps and guide AI step by step. So it's necessary. Sometimes what user does is just write everything at one go, and it will be very hard and time consuming for AI to process that information and give you accurate answer. So if you are following this technique and breaking your question into multiple steps, it would be very easier to find those specific steps and give you correct, accurate and precise answer. Second one is give examples. AI learns style and structure from your input. For example, if you are not giving your information according to chain prompting, then in that case you are giving whole bunch of text altogether, not providing examples. So it will be very difficult for AI to assume the context and stuff, and at the end you end up getting something which you don't want. Okay. Third one is refinement loops. Say make it more consider or use a storytelling tone until it's perfect. Okay. Remember, don't settle for the first output. Iterate and sharpen. Now I am going to give you guys prompt layering, which is bonus tip for this video. Instead of one big prompt, stack mini prompts in stages. What does it mean by that? Which we are going to see. So step 1, ask AI to generate ideas. For example, business ideas, startup ideas, whatever it can be. So it will be step 1. Step 2, choose the best one. Let's say if you are having 10 ideas from the AI, you can select one and ask AI to give further details on that specific prompt. Okay, so choose the best one, because AI will give you hundreds, thousands of ideas, but you need only one, right? So choose best out of those ideas. So it will be step 2. Step 3, ask AI to expand that idea into detailed plan. How you are going to implement that, how I'm going to build a relation with the consumer, so you can have clear understanding of how business works, how you can make money out of it, and at the end you end up having a knowledge which if you go on Google and search it, you won't get that sort of information which you can get from AI. But if you are following these steps, then only. So ask AI to expand that idea into a detailed plan, which would be step 3. This layered prompting mirrors how experts interact with AI, like a dialogue, not a one-shot request. For example, if we are doing conversation, in that case, if I'll tell you something in which very long sentence, it would be very difficult for you to stay connected with me throughout the sentence. Because if you starting from one word and going at the end of the sentence, by the time you end up forgetting the context. So it's the same with the AI too, which we need to understand and type accordingly. So you can get better results from AI, and which can make your life very easy. But right now what people are doing is just typing whatever they are thinking. It's not like that. AI is expecting something from you in a manner that it can make life easier for AI tools, and you can get better accurate results in no time. Prompting is the new digital superpower which we are seeing right now. Lots of AI tools are there in the market, and also the better you are at it, the faster you get results that actually move the needle, whether you are writing, planning, coding or creating a content. Always AI will play significant role in doing whatever you are professionally doing, right? Thank you guys for your valuable time. I hope this video helps and you get some sort of value from this video. If it is the case, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Keep learning, keep hustling. See you in the next video.